Sleek, trim, agile. The look of the Honda Super 90.
Guys, welcome back to Dale Does It All. I am super pumped to show you our new project. I just got back from driving almost 2 hours to go pick it up, and it was just luck that I was able to get there, grab it before anybody else. But this is going to be something that is going to be really cool. I wanted to do for a really long time. So what we've got here is about a 1960s Honda CS90. So the guy that I ended up buying it from in Virginia said that he's had this bike since he was 9 years old. So he was very attached to it, which, I mean, honestly, given the shape of it and, you know, the condition that it's in, I do not blame him. If I had something like that from that, you know, young age, I think that I would have been pretty attached to it as well. But I'm really glad that he trusted me, that I was wanting to restore it. I told him that. I told him I make YouTube videos, and I think he's excited to see what this can turn into, and so am I. I really haven't been this excited about a project in a while, and I've kind of been struggling to figure out what's my next YouTube series. So I'm super pumped to get this, and I'm really excited to show you guys the progress. So stay tuned, and can't wait to show you guys the updates. Thanks for watching.